Alright, today we're going to unbox this Rhino gray water tank. I've had this thing sitting out for a couple of weeks. I've been wanting to unbox it. We haven't used it on the last two camping trips, but we're going to see what's all inside here and see if there's a place where we can actually put this thing in our camper. I don't have a ladder on the back, and I'm really tight on space underneath, so this ought to be interesting. I'm going to get to unboxing this thing though. Box of parts. Alright. There we go. This has an extra large wheels on the back. It's got a little caster on the front. Rolls easy. Interesting. Well, there wasn't a lot of extra parts. This thing's going to be hard to store. The idea behind this is if you have a campsite where you do not have sewer, but you're taking showers or you're washing a lot of hands, that'll give you room to take it down to the dump site without having to rehook up to your trailer and move it each time you need to dump your gray water. So hopefully this thing works out. Hopefully I didn't buy this and test it so you don't have to, or vice versa. I have to edit this out. Oh, this is awesome right here. It says, "Stop, please read. If any parts are missing or damaged, please email us directly at info@camco.net. It also tells you what shift made it and what time of day. Well, that might tell you if it's any good or not. You know, if it was made on a Friday, it might not be as good as if it's made on a Thursday. You know what I mean? Box extra parts. Oh. Got your handle here. Hardware there, hardware there. Here's your instructions. Provides extra hoses, so they're shorter, so they work with your camper and your fill point. Shows you the tools that you would need. Shows you different methods for filling. Tells you everything that's included in the box. Now, I will say that this thing was like $300. So I don't know if it's worth it for short-term camping, but if you're doing some long-term camping, maybe for weeks, multiple weeks, or maybe months on end, it might be worth it. But this is the unboxing. I'll let you know what I think of it later this year after we get back from our road trip.